Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2023 Mercedes GLA 250. I'm going to show you how to change this cabin air filter. So it's located in the passenger footwell area. If you look right up here, there's an access door right there. And if you look on the left side here, there are two little black plastic pieces there you got to squeeze in and it will release. Same with this side over here. I'll show you how to do that here shortly. So what you do is grab a hold of it, squeeze like that. You can see that side came down, and same thing with this side over here. I know it's tight. Get up in here, squeeze, and there it goes. Okay, there's the cover. And that exposes our cabin air filter. So what you need to do is grab a hold of it and just pull it straight out. Okay, what I'm going to do is grab a hold of this filter with needle nose pliers. I can't seem to get it with my fingers. There we go. Alright, once you get it started like that, then you can use your hands and pull it straight down. It is a tight fit. It's kind of a dumb design, really. All right, it's out. It doesn't look too bad either. Okay, here's a better view. This is the top that I pulled out, and this is the bottom. Here we have our part number. And the airflow direction, make sure you pay attention to that. And I believe that's the filter brand, Micron Air. Check the description, guys. I'll have part numbers and links and whatnot. But yeah, this filter does not look bad at all. A little bit of debris in there. Okay, before we install the new filter, I'm going to take a look up in here, make sure there's any debris. It looks pretty good. I can't get the camera up in there any further due to the tight space, but it looks pretty good. Okay, I have a new filter ready to go in. Got the same one. Make sure you pay attention to the airflow. That arrow should be pointing towards the front of the vehicle. Okay, now for the fun part, to get this back up inside. You almost have to really force it, which is ridiculous. Okay, there we go. So once you get it right like that, you can get your door, or your cover, whatever you want to call it, and snap it back into place. As soon as you hear the clicks like that, you are good to go. Okay guys, that completes the cabin air filter change. I hope you liked it. Please hit that like button if you did. Please subscribe. See you in the next one. Take care.